we have this figure. We are to find the size of the angle X. This is a right angle triangle. It has interior angles. This is X. This angle is 90 degrees. That means these two lines are perpendicular. This other angle has not been given. Then 6x has been given as an exterior angle. For us to answer this problem, we are going to make use of the fact that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. It simply means the angle 6x is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. These are them, x plus 90 degrees. We are going to transfer x to the left hand side. It becomes negative 6x minus x is equal to 90 degrees. 6x minus x gives us 5x is equal to 90 degrees. Next step, we are going to divide all through by the coefficient of x, which is 5, is equal to 90 degrees divided by 5. 5 will strike off 5. X will simply be equal to 90 degrees divided by 5. It gives us 18 degrees. An alternative way of answering this question is simply by making use of the fact that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. If this exterior angle is equal to 6x, then this interior angle will be, remember, this is a straight line angle which is equal to 180 degrees. So this interior angle will be 180 degrees minus 6x. Summing the interior angles of this triangle, x 90 degrees, 180 degrees minus 6x, it will be equal to 180 degrees. That means x plus 180 degrees minus 6x plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees as such. Next step, we are going to add 180 degrees to 90 degrees. X minus 6x gives us negative 5x plus 180 degrees plus 90 degrees gives us 270 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. This will give us negative 5x to be equal to, we are going to transfer 270 degrees to the right hand side, which becomes negative 180 degrees minus 270 degrees. This will give us negative 5x to be equal to negative 90 degrees. Next, we have to divide all through by negative 5, which is the coefficient of x. Negative 90 degrees divided by negative 5. This will give us x to be equal to negative 90 degrees divided by negative 5 gives us 18 degrees. You can see the results are the same. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, if you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.